Ram children, the other day we had started lesson number 3, science, synthetic fibers and plastics. Today we will continue. Before we start the lesson, let us do 3 omkars. Om, Om, Om. Sai Ram. Plastics. You must be familiar with many plastic articles used every day. Make a list of such items and their uses. Plastics. Where are they used? Water bottle, chair, bucket, dustbin. All these things are made up of plastic. Plastic is also a polymer, like synthetic fiber. Poly means many. Mer means units, many units coming together. All plastics do not have the same type of arrangement of units. In some it is linear. Linear means a straight line, whereas in others cross-linked. Plastic articles are available in all shapes and size. Have you ever wondered how this is possible? The fact is that plastic is easily moldable, that is, can be shaped in any form. Plastic can be recycled, reused, colored, melted, rolled into sheets or made into wires. So plastics can be recycled, like polythene bags. Recycled polythene bags are available. Then reused, once again used, colored, you can color it, you can melt it, rolled into sheets or made into wires. That is why it finds such a variety of uses. Now try to bend a piece of plastic yourself. Can all the plastic articles be bent easily? You will observe some plastic articles can bend easily while some break when forced to bend. When we add hot water to a plastic bottle, it gets deformed, its shape changes. Such plastic which gets deformed on heating and can be bent easily is thermoplastic. Because of the heat, the bottle changes shape, that is thermoplastic. Thermo means heat. Polythene and PVC are some of the examples of thermoplastic. You take a polythene bag, you add hot water, what will happen? It will melt. Holes will be formed. These are used for manufacturing toys, combs and various types of containers. On the other hand, there are some plastics which when molded once cannot be softened on heat. So some plastic will not change shape even when heated. It is called thermosetting plastic. Thermosetting plastic will not change shape even on heating. Two examples are bakelite, melamine. Bakelite is a poor conductor of heat and electricity. It is used for making electrical switches, handles of various utensils, etc. Melamine is a versatile material. It resists fire and can tolerate heat better than other plastics. It is used for making floor tiles. So melamine is used in making tiles, kitchenware and fabrics which resist fire, means does not catch fire. Figure shows various thermoplastics and thermosetting plastic. Articles made of thermosetting plastic and thermoplastic. So remember, thermosetting plastic will not change shape on heating. Thermoplastic changes shape on heating. Plastics as materials of choice. Today, if we think of storing food, water, milk, dry food, etc., plastic containers are the most convenient. This is because of the light weight, low price, good strength, easy handling. Being lighter as compared to metals, plastics are used in car, aircraft, spacecraft. The list is endless if we start counting articles like slippers, furniture, decoration pieces, etc. Let us discuss characteristic properties of plastics. Plastic non-reactive. You know that metals like iron get rusted when left exposed to moisture and air, but plastics do not react with water and air. They are not corroded, it does not spoil. That is why they are used to store various kinds of material, including many chemicals. Plastic is light, strong, durable. Talk to your parents or grandparents about the types of buckets. What is the material of the bucket or mug? What is it? It is thermosetting, because bucket means you add hot water to it, it doesn't change shape. Since plastic is very light, strong, durable, can be molded in different shapes and size, it is used for various purposes. Plastics are cheaper than metals. They are used in industry and household articles. Make a list of plastic items. Right now on my table, I can see a plastic water bottle. One thing made up of plastic. Plastics are poor conductors. You have learned about that plastics are poor conductor of heat and electricity. That is why electrical wires have plastic covering. Handles of screwdrivers are made of plastic. As mentioned above, handles of frying pans are also made of plastic. Plastics and the environment. When we go to the market, we usually get things wrapped in a plastic or packed in polythene bag. Even milk, it comes in a plastic polythene pouch. That is one reason plastic waste keeps getting accumulated. You go to a market, you buy vegetables, he will give you in a polythene bag. If he doesn't give, you will insist for a polythene bag. You bring vegetables and then throw that polythene in the dustbin. All the waste gets accumulated and collected. Ultimately, plastic finds its way to the garbage. Garbage means dustbin. Disposal of plastic is a major problem. A material which gets decomposed through natural process such as action by bacteria is biodegradable. A material which is not easily decomposed by natural process is non-biodegradable. Since plastic takes several years to decompose, it is not environment friendly, causes environmental pollution. Besides, the burning process in the synthetic material is quite slow and it does not get completely burnt easily. In the process, it releases lots of poisonous fumes or gases in the atmosphere. How can this problem be solved? Avoid the use of plastic as far as possible. That's why in between many times the government makes the laws not to use plastic in the market. Paper bags are given. Make use of bags made of cotton or jute. Biodegradable, non-biodegradable waste should be collected separately, disposed of separately. Disposed means thrown separately. Practice this in your home. Can you suggest some other ways in which you can contribute towards reducing the use of plastic? It is better to recycle plastic waste. Most of the thermoplastics can be recycled. Make a list of items that can be recycled. However, during recycling, certain coloring agents are added. When something is recycled, color is added. This limits the usage, especially for storage of foods. You can't store food when a plastic is colored. As a responsible citizen, remember 5 R's. Reduce the use of plastic. Reuse. Once again, reuse it. You get a polythene bag from outside, you can use it to store various other things. Then recycle. Give it for recycling. Make it again into something new. Recover and refuse. Refuse means say no to polythene bags. Develop the habits which are environment friendly. So this will be good for your environment. Okay children, this is the end of the lesson. I'll be sending you question answers. Please complete the question answers and send them to me by tomorrow evening. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Sai Ram, children.